Hello everyone, welcome to DSS online classes. This is Reena Chaurasia, your computer teacher. Today we are going to read chapter 4. Note that this is only reading video, not explanation video. Okay, means in this video we only read this chapter. So let's start the reading. Chapter 4, Exploring Windows and More. Our first topic is about the operating system. So, what is the operating system? An operating system OS is what makes a computer usable. The work you do on a computer is stored in files and folders. Where and how it is stored on your disk or when you open a file from where it is retrieved is not your headache. Everything is done and managed by the operating system in your computer. Some popular operating systems are Linux, Mac and Windows. Okay. So usable means useful. In Hindi usable means प्रयोग करने योग्य. Next is retrieved. Retrieved means पुनः प्राप्त करना. In Hindi retrieve means पुनः प्राप्त करना. Headache. Headache means सिर दर्द. Okay. Here is a girl. She is saying something. Let's know what is she saying. She is saying an operating system provides an interface between the user and the computer. An operating system handles the files and folders, the computer components, CPU, memory, and external devices connected to the computer, printers, CD drives, etc., and any other application you run on the computer. Next topic is about Windows. Windows is an operating system which has a graphical user interface GUI which makes using Windows very easy even for a beginner. A graphical user interface or a GUI consists of icons, files and menus on which a user can simply click to make them work. You do not need to remember the complex command lines. Graphical means in the form of icons. In Hindi, graphical means चित्रात्मक. Complex means complicated, jatil. In Hindi, complex means jatil. Okay. You can see here. Here is a graphical user interface. In this, these are icons. Okay. Next topic is fact file. The Windows operating system has been developed and maintained by Microsoft, the company founded by Bill Gates. The first version, Windows 3.0, was released in 1985. Since then, it has grown significantly and now dominates the market. Significantly means meaningfully. In Hindi, significantly means अर्थपूर्णता से. Dominates. Dominate means govern. In Hindi, dominate means शासन करना. Let's see what is next topic. So next topic is history of Windows operating system. The Windows operating system also has an evolution history. It also passed through many generations to reach you today as you are using it. With each generation, it became more efficient and user friendly. In the following table, you can read about the major versions of Windows OS which were launched to make learning of computers an easy affair. Evolution. Evolution means development. In Hindi, evolution means क्रमागत उन्नति. Here is 3 tables. In the left side, year is mentioned, and in the right side version of Windows is mentioned. So first is 1985. In year 1985, Windows 1.0. In 1987, Windows 2.0. 1990, Windows 3.0. 1993, Windows NT. 1995, Windows 95. 1998, Windows 98. Year 2000, Windows ME, and year 2001, Windows XP. Next is 2007, Windows Vista. 2009, Windows 7. 2012, Windows 8, and last 2015, Windows 10. Okay. Next topic is about Windows 7. The new and improved feature in Windows 7 make it easier for you to manage files, find information, and customize your desktop so that you can work the way you want to. Okay. Some of the new features included in Windows 7 are advancement in touch, speech and handwriting recognition, support for additional file formats, improved performance on multi-core processors, and improved boot performance. Windows 7 is now the most popular, even surpassing XP with the beginning of 2011. Windows 7 comes in 6 different editions. These editions are Windows 7 Starter, Windows 7 Home Basic, Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional, Windows 7 Enterprise, and Windows 7 Ultimate, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Okay. Improved means improved means modified. In Hindi, improved means sanshodhit. Okay. Next is advancements. Advancements means progress. In Hindi, advancements means unnati. Next is Windows 8. Windows 8 introduces significant changes to the operating system's platform, primarily focused towards improving its user experience on mobile devices such as tablets to better compete with other mobile operating systems like Android and Apple's iOS. In Windows 8, the desktop has been replaced by a home screen from where you can access your programs. Also, there are no icons. Instead, you have tiles which can dynamically show information. Clicking on these live tiles opens the program. Okay. Instead means as an substitute. In Hindi, instead means bajaye. Next is Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest release of Microsoft Windows operating system and the successor to the overwhelming Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, released in July 15. Successor means inheritor. Successor means inheritor, a person or thing that succeeds another. Underwhelming means fail to impress. Okay. Next is Windows 10 also brought back the Windows 7 style start button and start menu that were dropped in Windows 8. The functionality for these features has been updated in Windows 10 with smart tiles and other dynamic capabilities. It automatically senses that it is loaded on a PC or touch device. According to that, it shows tiles of the classic desktop. Okay. So, dynamic means innovative. Dynamically means in an innovative manner. Okay. Next is capability. Capability means the power to do something. In Hindi, capability means kshamta. Let's see what is next topic. So Next topic is use the start menu. The start menu contains icons for programs and folder and also access work with control functions. The most commonly used menu is all programs, which opens further menus within the start menu of all programs. Next topic is opening a program. One of the most common uses of the start menu is opening programs installed on your computer. To open a program shown in the left pane of the start menu, click it. The program opens and the start menu closes. If you do not see the program you want to open, click all programs at the bottom of the left pane. Instantly, the left pane displays a long list of programs in alphabetical order followed by a list of folders. What right pane of start menu contains? The right pane of the start menu contains links to parts of Windows that you are likely to use frequently. Frequently means repeatedly, bar bar. In Hindi, frequently means bar bar. Here they are from top to bottom. First, personal folder. Opens your personal folder which is named for whoever is currently logged onto Windows. For example, if the current user is Ishi, the folder will be named Ishi. This folder in turn contains super specific files including the documents, music, pictures and videos folders. Second, documents. Opens the documents folder where you can store and open text files, spreadsheets, presentations and other kinds of documents. You can see here, this is the all program button. Okay. Third is pictures. Open the pictures folder where you can store and view digital pictures and graphical icons. Fourth, music. Opens the music folder where you can store and play music and other audio files. Fifth, games. Opens the games folder where you can access all of the games on your computer. Sixth, computer. Opens a window where you can access disk drives, cameras, printers, scanners and other hardware connected to your computer. 7. Control panel. Opens control panel where you can customize the appearance and functionality of your computer. Add or remove programs, set up network connections and manage user accounts. Customize means modify to suit a particular individual or task. Customize means modify to suit a particular individual or task. Okay. And functionality means the quality of being suited to serve a purpose well. Okay. Next is appearance. Appearance means the way that someone or something looks. Okay. 8. Drives and printers. Opens and shows you all the devices, printers and faxes connected to your computer. 9. Default programs. Open a window where you can choose which default program you want Windows to use for activities like web browsing, editing pictures, sending email and playing music and videos. 10 is help and support. Opens Windows help and support where you can browse and search help topics about using Windows and your computer. See getting help. Okay. So next topics we will read in next video. Okay. Thank you.